You're watching Mighty Machines, where raw power meets real-world action. From robotic cleaners to giant dozers and precision excavators, we've got the toughest, smartest machines in action. Let's dig in. This is the Dipper Fox Stump Grinder, a revolutionary attachment that's changing how we clear land fast. Designed to mount on excavators and backhoes, it doesn't chip away at stumps like traditional grinders. Instead, it drills vertically down with immense torque and precision, crushing the wood into the soil below. That means less flying debris, no need to reposition, and minimal damage to surrounding roots or ground cover. It's ideal for forestry, construction sites, utility lines, and anywhere stumps slow down the job. One of its standout features? Speed. The Dipper Fox can grind up to 180 stumps per hour, depending on the conditions. Plus, its low RPM and high torque system makes it efficient, quiet, and fuel-saving. In short, it's cleaner, faster, and smarter than conventional stump removal. Watch closely as it obliterates a stubborn stump in seconds. No mess, no fuss, just raw efficiency. This is a box culvert cleaning machine, and it's built to battle the muck that clogs up our drainage systems. Fitted with high-pressure water jets and a powerful vacuum unit, it blasts away sediment, debris, and sludge from deep inside concrete culverts. Its telescopic arm reaches tight spaces without needing workers to crawl inside, making the job faster and far safer. Whether after a flood or during routine maintenance, this machine keeps stormwater flowing and infrastructure intact. No digging, no delays, just clean results. This is the Culvert Cleaning Excavator, a powerful and efficient solution for keeping drainage systems clear and fully functional. Designed with a long-reach boom and a custom bucket or rake attachment, it reaches deep into culverts to remove sediment, debris, and vegetation without damaging the structure. Unlike manual methods, this machine operates from a safe distance, often from the roadside, making it ideal for highway culverts, flood zones, and tight access areas. Its hydraulic precision allows operators to work under bridges or through narrow channels without shutting down roads or endangering workers. Whether it's post-flood cleanup or routine maintenance, this excavator delivers fast, reliable performance, keeping water flowing and infrastructure protected. This is the Stump Shear 1270, a rugged, high-performance tool designed to make land clearing faster, safer, and way more efficient. Attached to an excavator, it uses hydraulic-powered blades to clamp down and slice through thick tree stumps in a single controlled motion. No grinding, no burning, just clean cuts and quick removal. Built with a reinforced steel frame and precision jaws, it handles tough hardwoods with ease, making it perfect for forestry work, construction site prep, or clearing after storms. Its compact design allows it to operate in tight spaces, while its raw power cuts stumps up to 90 centimeters wide in seconds. If you want speed, safety, and serious strength, The 1270 doesn't just perform, it dominates. This is what ditch blockage destruction looks like in action. A powerful excavator reaches into a clogged culvert, ripping out logs, mud, and debris that choke water flow. With the operator in full control, the machine's hydraulic arm pulls blockage straight from the pipe. No digging up roads, no delays. Behind it, a dump truck stands ready to haul away the mess. Fast, efficient, and essential for flood prevention. This is how modern crews keep drainage systems flowing freely. This is Ox Equipment's vacuum excavation truck, a powerhouse designed for precision digging where traditional tools fall short. Using high-pressure air or water, it loosens soil around underground utilities without causing damage. Then, with an industrial-strength vacuum hose, it lifts the debris straight into the onboard tank, leaving behind a clean, surgically exposed work area. Perfect for crowded urban zones, utility maintenance, and sensitive dig sites, Ox Equipment keeps crews safe, fast, and efficient. No more guesswork or broken pipes, just high-tech excavation done right. Whether it's tree root zones, fiber lines, or gas mains, when accuracy matters, Ox delivers. This is the Ditch Doctor Rotary attachment, a precision tool that turns any excavator into a high-performance ditching machine. Attached to the boom, its rotating drumhead reshapes overgrown or clogged ditches by grinding through soil and vegetation in a single pass. No need to remove the material. It mulches and redistributes it right along the banks, helping control erosion and promote regrowth. Perfect for farms, roadsides, and utility lines, the Ditch Doctor is fast, fuel-efficient, and eco-friendly. It doesn't just cut, it restores drainage channels naturally, reducing runoff and preserving land structure. Meet the RBM Excavator Stump Shear, a powerhouse attachment engineered to dominate the toughest land clearing jobs with surgical precision. Built to mount on standard excavators, this heavy-duty shear is designed specifically to grip, slice, and break apart massive tree stumps and root systems in a single, controlled motion. Unlike grinding or burning, the RBM Stump Shear delivers a clean mechanical cut, allowing you to extract stumps whole or in sections for faster removal. Its hardened steel jaws, reinforced frame, and high-torque hydraulic operation make it a perfect fit for forestry, road prep, farmland clearing, and storm cleanup. What sets it apart? First, efficiency. It drastically reduces job time by cutting through hardwood stumps up to 90 centimeters in diameter, no problem. Second, versatility. The same attachment can also be used for splitting logs, cutting oversized roots, or prepping wood for transport or processing. Plus, with fewer moving parts than a grinder and no flying debris, it's safer for both operators and nearby workers. If you're clearing land and want power, speed, and control in one attachment, the RBM Stump Shear isn't just tough, it's smart. Watch it in action and see how fast raw force turns into clean results. This is the CAT 420F backhoe loader, tackling ditch cleaning with speed and precision. Equipped with a wide ditching bucket and responsive hydraulics, it scoops out mud, debris, and overgrowth in a single smooth motion. Built for efficiency and control, the 420F keeps water flowing and drainage channels clear, fast, clean, and with minimal ground disruption. Meet the Westech Woodcracker R900, a monster of an attachment built to handle the toughest tree stumps and root systems with ease. Mounted on a powerful excavator, the R900 uses massive hydraulic force to crack, split, and lift even the largest stumps directly from the ground. No grinding, no burning, no delay. At the heart of this beast are its reinforced cutting jaws, designed to deliver a clean, controlled break through thick hardwood or tangled root networks. The R900 doesn't just slice, it shreds and lifts, making follow-up processing and transport faster and cleaner. With a cutting diameter of up to 90 centimeters, it's perfect for forestry work, land clearing, pipeline prep, and storm cleanup. What really makes the Woodcracker R900 shine is its precision and power combination. The operator can rotate, clamp, and shear with millimeter-level accuracy, even in tight, uneven terrain. Watch the CAT 349F and 336F in action. These powerhouse excavators make ditch cleaning effortless with precision buckets and massive reach. Perfect for clearing debris, reshaping channels, and boosting flow fast and efficiently. This is the SAVANNAH 1720 Stump Puller, a serious land-clearing machine built to rip out stumps with brute strength and precision. Mounted to a dozer or crawler tractor, it uses a hydraulic claw and shank system to grab deep-rooted stumps and yank them clean from the ground. Unlike grinding or burning, the 1720 removes the entire root system, ideal for prepping farmland, reforestation, or construction sites. Its rugged design handles tough terrain with ease and reduces the need for multiple passes. If you want total stump removal without leaving a mess, the SAVANNAH 1720 doesn't just pull, it dominates the dirt. What you're seeing is a robotic cooling tower basin cleaner in action, designed to go where humans can't. This tracked submersible unit uses high-pressure water jets and suction hoses to break up and remove sludge, biofilm, and sediment from basin floors. Remotely operated and built for confined or hazardous environments, it keeps workers safe while delivering deep, thorough cleaning without draining the system. Its low-profile design lets it navigate under obstructions and around structural supports with ease. This isn't just cleaning, it's precision maintenance, protecting critical cooling systems from blockages, corrosion, and costly shutdowns. This is the Kamasu D155 AX8, a high-powered crawler dozer built for serious earth moving. With its hydrostatic steering and massive blade, It cuts, grades, and pushes through tough terrain with ease. Perfect for mining, construction, and heavy land clearing. Power, precision, and productivity in one machine. Meet the Yanmar SV1002, a compact powerhouse in the 10-ton class. With zero tail swing and precise hydraulics, it's built for tight job sites, perfect for digging, grading, and utility work, with maximum control and minimal space. If you enjoyed that, there's plenty more power where that came from. Check out our other videos to see even more incredible machines at work. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Mighty Machines, your front row seat to heavy-duty action.